Alright, let's get it moved into the driveway. Alright guys, so it's time to get her washed up. Temperature finally went up to about 41, so we'll get her cleaned up and ready to go for tonight. As you can tell, she's dirty. She's not too bad, but she's not clean. I will say that. You can see there's a bunch of nastiness everywhere. Ran through a lot of snow and ice last week, which is unusual for us here in the south for sure. So when it happens, I always make sure I give it a good bath, because they had a lot of salt down here in Atlanta and they had a lot of gravel and stuff out in Mississippi. But let's get it cleaned up. Probably end up doing a time lapse because, you know, it'll take too long if I don't. Alright guys, there you go. She's all cleaned up. All that's left to do is put my stuff up, do a pre-trip, and hit the road in a little bit. I'm going to try to do a little bit of filming tonight as well, so that'll be another video coming. But I would say she looks a little bit better. What do y'all think? Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.